When travelers are browsing your trips, first impressions matter. That's why WP Travel Engine gives you the ability to display key selling points right alongside the trip price. These are called highlights. Highlights are short, confidence-boosting statements like "best price guaranteed," "no booking fees," or "professional local guide." They appear right next to the pricing section on your trip page, giving travelers that extra reassurance they need before they hit the book button. Let's set these up for your site. To set up or customize your highlights, go to WP Travel Engine in your dashboard, then click on Settings, followed by General. From there, click on Trip Settings. You will see a few tabs at the top. Click on the Highlights tab. This is where you can manage all your highlights in one place. Here, you can see the existing highlights already listed. To add a new highlight, simply click the Add Highlight button at the bottom of the list. A new row will appear. Enter your title, for example, 24/7 customer support. Then add your help text. Once you are happy with your highlights, click Save Settings to apply the changes. That's all it takes to set up and manage your highlights in WP Travel Engine. Keep them short, clear, and focused on the value you offer, and watch your booking confidence grow. If you have any questions, visit our documentation or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy booking!